Here is an unboxing of this 21-gallon basic utility sink kit that Tehila Basics sent me to try out. So let's see what's in here. We have some piping. Here's this paper that came in the top. This you should please read. Right here we have a double handle faucet. Here is the installation instructions right on top. And then I'm gonna pull this out real quick and then we'll see what's in there. Okay, I pulled the rest of the items that were in the box out. So we have the wash basin. This is such a big size, 21 gallons. I love how big that sizing is. So you got your 3 holes for your handles and your faucet. And then it came with this. My husband's going to install this, so I'm not sure, but I'm assuming this is hot and cold water tubes. And then these are the legs. I am going to open them and then I'll show you what they look like. Okay, I got the legs opened up. Here's what they look like. They're like a matte black. And then I tilted this sideways and saw that it came with this little packet as well. This looks like the sink stopper in there, and I'm not sure what those are yet, but I think these pieces right here look like they go inside of these. And then these legs will be screwed on. It looks like that is what it looks like it's gonna go. Really high quality. Like, this is not flimsy at all. This is really good quality. My husband was so excited. It was something he didn't know he really wanted. So this is going to be our weekend project to get a little sink. He is a carpenter and this will be perfect. He's always bringing all his sawdust and stains and stuff and washing them in the kitchen sink. So now we're gonna have one for the garage. And this is everything that's in here. Let me open this up real quick and I'll show you what the faucet looks like. Okay, last thing in the box is it came with this faucet. It looks super easy to install. I could probably do it. I just wouldn't be able to connect it all to water. That seems too confusing for me. I'm gonna let my husband handle that. But I love this, and I like that you have some threading right here. So if I wanted to buy like one of the squeezy handle things, I could do that too. That like drops down, because the sink definitely drops down. And hot is on the left and cold is on the right. This thing is definitely going up this weekend. So there is everything in the box, and this is the mounting for this. There it is.